Now you may want to add some math to your paper, so we'll go to a new line, change paragraph type to standard text, and now we can add a numbered equation. So I choose insert math and here numbered formula, and now a box appeared, and I can use it just as a formula creator in Microsoft Word or OpenOffice. So for example, I may want to add the famous formula E is equal to mc squared. So I can choose, for example, here superscript and then square. And as you can see, the formula is numbered. I may want to refer to this formula somewhere in my paper, so then I choose equation label, and for example I will call it Einstein. And now in text I can refer to it like this: refer to the equation, and then I put it here, insert cross-reference, and in the list I see this equation label. And usually you want to change the format to this reference with parentheses. Now if I will render it, you'll see that there is a nice numbered equation with a reference with parentheses. If you want to add some text to your formula, you can choose it from here, normal text mode, and then you can type, for example, 4, and then again the next part of your formula, so for example for c greater than 0. And of course such numbered equations should be punctuated where appropriate. So I will insert now another numbered equation, and I'll type, for example, a square plus b square plus b square equals c square. And to add punctuation, I hit Control space, it inserts a hard space, and now simply a dot. So let's see how it looks now in the output PDF file. Just a moment, it's rendering. And here it is. So we have text here. Sometimes you may also want to add some so-called inline math, like for example to describe what actually are the physical quantities you've used in your equation. So to do this, I choose insert math inline formula, and here, for example, I can type where m is mass, and again c is the speed of light. Of course, these inline formulas may be quite complicated, like for example let's put it n n is equals to, actually we don't need spaces between these operators, it will be added automatically. So n is integral from I type underscore, so from 0, and now I type superscript, but not after 0, but superscript for the integral to n, and for example x the x, and I will get an inline formula.